relax right now. There'll be enough holding. Oh, yeah. Oh, you didn't even like me wiping them. Oh, my goodness. You're really going to holler then.
She's here for her needles.
Oh, yeah, she'll be upset. I'm just going to make sure these little hairs stay back. Oh, no, they're not. Okay. Sorry, sweetie. We're not going to use that. Okay. I know. You're not going to be happy with us at all. Okay. You can let her sit sideways if you want for this, Mark. If she'll be more, yeah. Happy hugging up to Mom. We'll let her do that for this one. Mm-hmm. She's like, get away from me. I know. Okay, let's let her have a minute. This is what's going to take the longest, is marking it and then holding her to do it. It's just, I know. I'm not nice, am I? And I just wiped it. I think you're having a memory. Because they do that before the needles too, don't they?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I know they do. It's not very nice. Maybe it's a pen. You see? It just draws a dot. Right, okay. All right, come in here and see, okay? All right, I'm going to hold her real tight here for a second and see if I can get a mark on here. Says, I don't like you, you stay away from me. Hi, how are you? I know. She's like, I don't want to see you. Don't want to talk to you. I'll go over here. Give you a second to settle down. No, Mama. Okay. Try again here. Now I'll get you to hold her the others facing out this way. Try this side because I've got a mark on that one if I can get.
Hold him.
Okay. I couldn't get it. The thing is, if I'm moving up and down, it's just going to make a big long line. It's got to be just enough. She's got to be sitting still just enough that. And the crying, you know, when they do that, it hurts themselves.
Can I put her?
Yeah, oh, for sure. Go right ahead. Yeah, no, if she likes that, you go right ahead. I'm just going to try and make sure her ear is as far as I can get it. How do we do? I think that one needed to be back more. And this one needed to be down. It's okay. I just need to have a look and see. That one just at the bottom would probably be okay. This one. Oh, are you sleepy, girl? That one, I think if I did just at the back, it would be okay. How's it going? Oh, and we lost one ear.
Oh, that's mine.
One of your feathers. She liked that. Let's see how it goes here. How are you doing? She doesn't want to look at you. No, she didn't want to look at me at all. I wiped her ears and I'm in scrubs, so probably not a good combination for her to see. If she doesn't like needles. Oh no. No. Hey, baby.
I'm passion.
What's that? Yay! she's come down and forward a bit.
What about this one?
That one down, but not a whole lot. That one I'm kind of okay with. That one I wouldn't remark.
Okay, just
Should chop it.
down more.
Yeah, that's okay. We're just gonna come down.
Does that sting?
No, not at all.
Let her know.
Not at all. No, it's honestly, it's just an alcohol wipe. So unless she had an open sore,
No,
then maybe, but yeah. It's like, what, Mom? I don't want you anywhere near me. Go away.
Okay. That.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And again.
Nejla, be chill. Steady. Hey.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. You know what? I don't want to do it if we're going to have them really crooked or look bad or
Yeah.
any of that stuff. We don't want to fight. And she's not happy. We're going to keep trying, but she's very, very, very unhappy about it. Usually they complain more when you're holding them down. She just is unhappy as soon as I walk near her. Yeah, I think it's just anyone being there. I don't think, because she's not even seeing me when I'm, you know. It's okay. I think she might be a little bit sleepy.